case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, the United States District Court for the District of Kansas heard the case of Burton v. R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company to determine whether federal law stopped people from suing cigarette makers for harm caused by their products under state laws. David and Ora Burton filed a lawsuit against R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company and the American Tobacco Company, alleging harm caused by smoking Camel and Lucky Strike cigarettes. The defendants argued that the majority of the plaintiffs' claims were preempted by the Federal Cigarette Labeling and Advertising Act. The court granted and denied parts of the motion, ruling that some of the plaintiffs' claims were not preempted by the act. The court allowed claims of intentional fraud, conspiracy, breach of warranties, and medical monitoring to remain in the case, but dismissed the claim under the Kansas Consumer Protection Act. The defendants also argued for summary judgment on certain claims, but the court found that it was premature to conclude that the plaintiff's failure to heed health warnings meant that their alleged failure to warn and concealment were not the proximate cause of his injuries. The court granted and denied parts of the defendants' joint motion for summary judgment, granting the motion on plaintiffs' express warranty and fraudulent misrepresentation claims, but denying it as to plaintiffs' remaining claims. The court granted the defendants' motion on certain claims, including the plaintiff's failure to warn claims, medical monitoring claim, and Kansas Consumer Protection Act, KCPA claim, but allowed the plaintiff 10 days to amend the KCPA claim. The court also ruled that Ora Burton's claim for loss of consortium failed to the extent that David Burton's claims failed. The ruling emphasized the complexity of determining the appropriate warnings for cigarette products and the extent of companies' responsibilities for potential harm caused.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.